5 Thai sentence today. Very simple, very easy, beginner level. I'm Bodo Thai. Let's do it. All right, I can't sleep. ฉันนอนไม่หลับ ฉันนอนไม่หลับ means I can't sleep. Okay? ฉันนอนไม่หลับ. Too many vodka Red Bull, bro. You know, sometimes when you go to Thailand, time differences can really throw you off. 10, 15 hours different, you know? It's like here's just say right now, I don't know what time it is, like noon, right? In Thailand, it could be like, 2 in the morning. I don't know. So, yeah. So, you're not going to be able to sleep. So, you're just wandering around in a hotel, and people might ask you, like, why are you walking around by yourself? You're like, well, ฉันนอนไม่หลับ means I can't sleep. All right. Okay, next one. I need assistance. You need help with something. You have like thousand bags with you. You just arrived and you need someone to help you carry it up. You need to go up to like a 5th floor or something, right? And you need someone to help you. ฉันต้องการความช่วยเหลือ That's a long one, man. Just take it slow. ฉันต้องการความช่วยเหลือ means I need assistance. Let's make it simple for you. ช่วยฉันหน่อยได้ไหม ช่วยฉันหน่อยได้ไหม means can you please help me? It just says, simple favor. I only have like thousands of luggages over there, and I had to go up like 5-story up the stairs. Yeah. And ช่วยฉันหน่อยได้ไหม That might be easier to learn. Okay? All right, next one. Do you know the weather today? You plan to go snorkeling, you plan to go somewhere out, outdoor and out in the country, right? And you don't want to go out there and it's all like stormy because Thailand, I mean, I tell you right now, man, it rains all the time, especially like monsoon season. Check before you go or else your trip's gonna suck, okay? Because sometimes it's flooded in Thailand. Flooded all the time and all this like rotten water is coming out from the sewers. Yeah. Rats and all that nonsense coming out. Go to Thailand when it's not a monsoon season. Do you know the weather today? คุณรู้สภาพอากาศวันนี้ไหม Slower. คุณรู้สภาพอากาศวันนี้ไหม คุณรู้ means that do you know? สภาพอากาศ means the weather. Okay? วันนี้ means today. ไหม is a question. คุณรู้สภาพอากาศวันนี้ไหม Alright? Practice that. I mean, it's longer, but I think you can do it. Alright, next. I like Thai food. ฉันชอบอาหารไทย ฉันชอบอาหารไทย means I like Thai food. Alright? So, you can change Thai. If you like Chinese, is อาหารจีน You can say ฉันชอบอาหารจีน or whatever flavor you like, but since you're in Thailand, it just go along with it. All right, ฉันชอบอาหารไทย Okay. Are you free? คุณมีเวลาว่างไหม It's like คุณมีเวลาว่างไหม means are you free? It's pretty smooth right there because you just out of the blue, you say, I like Thai food, but are you free? ฉันชอบอาหารไทย คุณมีเวลาว่างไหม So we can go eat together. Come on, man. You know the drill. All right, that's the 5 sentences that you need to know when you go to Thailand. Very easy. Go back, study it, learn it, practice it because you're going to need it. It's your boy Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.